How to set new financial goals after divorce. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with divorce661.com. After a divorce, it's not just about getting through the paperwork, it's about building a new life. And a big part of that is setting new financial goals. Whether you're rebuilding savings, buying a home, or simply learning to manage money solo, taking control of your finances helps you move forward with confidence. Let's talk about how to do it. First, take stock of your new financial situation. List your income, expenses, assets, and debts. Understanding exactly where you stand is the first step to setting realistic, achievable goals, whether that's paying off debt, saving for a home, or building an emergency fund. Next, start small. Set short-term goals you can accomplish in the next 6 to 12 months, like saving $1,000, paying off a credit card, or creating a simple monthly budget. Early wins will build momentum and give you confidence for bigger goals down the road. We helped a client who was overwhelmed by thinking too far ahead. Once she focused on building a $500 emergency fund and paying down a small loan first, she gained the motivation to tackle bigger financial projects like buying a new car on her own. At Divorce 661, we don't just help clients wrap up the legal side, we encourage real-world financial planning that makes life after divorce smoother, more stable, and less stressful. Also think long-term. Once you've handled the basics, set bigger goals like saving for retirement, investing, or purchasing property. Even if those feel far away right now, small steps today lead to major progress over time. If you finalized your divorce and want help getting financially organized and setting realistic goals, visit divorce661.com for a free consultation. We'll help you build a solid foundation so your next chapter is stronger, more confident, and fully in your control.